Hello. It is a pleasure to welcome you. In this video, we will demonstrate one of the main features of our visual chess software. This feature allows you to play a chess game directly on your traditional chessboard, while the moves are automatically executed on your computer by moving the cursor just as you would manually. This core feature of visual chess is known as play a web or software game. This means that you can play an online game or use your preferred chess software simply by moving the pieces on your physical chessboard. Visual chess transforms your traditional chessboard into an electronic one, capable of detecting every move and automatically executing it on your computer. As mentioned in the visual chess introductory video, as well as in other instructional videos, this game mode is available exclusively in the commercial version of the product, which is activated when you purchase a subscription for your computer. If you are using the free version of visual chess, games played in this mode will be limited to a maximum of 10 moves. That is, 5 moves for white and 5 moves for black. Once this limit has been reached, no additional moves can be executed. What you are currently seeing is a preview of what will be explained throughout this video. As always, do not worry. We will guide you step by step through everything you need to do in order to use the software correctly. If you have reached this stage in your use of visual chess, it means that you have already configured the main system parameters, such as webcam resolution, light filters, piece detection, and most likely have already completed a test game using one of the recommended openings. Regarding this last point, we recommend reviewing our test game video beforehand, as it explains important concepts such as FPS and move detection time, both of which are essential for proper system operation. Let us now review the steps required to play a game using an online chess platform. In this example, we will use a well-known online chess website, where we will play a demonstration game with the white pieces against the site's computer opponent. The platform shown in this video is used solely as a reference. You may use any platform of your choice, or even chess software installed directly on your computer. At the end of this video, you will find additional information about the platform used in this demonstration. Let us begin. To start a web or software game, go to the main menu and select the option labeled Play Web or Software Game. When this option is launched, an instructional video will be displayed explaining how to correctly position the playing area so that it matches the one being used on your computer. This video may be closed at any time if you have already viewed it, or it will close automatically once it has finished. Next, the software will display a screen showing the detected chessboard and its 64 squares, asking whether you would like to proceed directly to the game. You should choose this option if you are certain that all settings have been configured correctly, or if you are starting a new game after previously using the software. If you select this option, it will no longer be necessary to choose the piece color or perform the initial position detection again, since the system will assume that the entire configuration has already been validated. As a result, you will proceed directly to making the first move on the board. This option is particularly useful when you have already completed the setup process and would like to save time. For the purposes of this video, we will perform the complete configuration process, assuming that this is your first time using this feature, or that you simply wish to verify each step once again. For this reason, we will answer no to the initial question. The main screen for this mode will then be displayed. As previously mentioned, it is semi-transparent, allowing you to simultaneously view the software or website that you will use to play. We then move the program window until its main frame is positioned correctly. This main frame must be aligned before the game begins, so that it matches exactly the chessboard displayed on the website or chess software you have selected. To do this, you may use the upper left corner of the board as a reference, and then align the lower right corner, as shown in the video. Notice that the window can be enlarged or reduced as needed, allowing you to position and center it accurately. As with the previous game modes, from this point forward, neither the physical chessboard nor the webcam should be moved. If either one changes position, the references required for accurate piece detection will be lost. Once the adjustment has been completed, we click to lock the playing area in place. The first step is to confirm the initial position by clicking the corresponding button. If the pieces are not positioned correctly, the software will notify you. As you have already seen in other instructional videos, any problematic squares will be highlighted with a red border. Once the initial position has been detected correctly, everything will be ready to begin. To prevent unwanted actions, the software will not allow the game window to be moved after the initial position has been validated. The software also reminds us that whenever a move is made on the chessboard, it is very important not to move the mouse, as all cursor actions will be performed automatically by Visual Chess. You will notice that the software emits a confirmation sound both when it detects errors in the position and when the position has been detected successfully. If desired, this sound alert can be disabled by unchecking the option labeled Sound. The game begins, and we make the first move with the white pieces, starting an open opening. We can observe how Visual Chess detects the move and automatically proceeds, without any additional player intervention, to move the cursor and execute the move on the computer. This is the essence of Visual Chess, making moves on a physical chessboard and having them automatically transferred to the computer. As expected, the computer or website then responds with its own move. To keep the game synchronized, the player must reproduce this move on the physical chessboard. The move will be detected and automatically reflected on the Visual Chess reference board located on the right side of the screen. Observe how every move made by the player controlling the white pieces is automatically executed by Visual Chess within the selected chess platform or software. Likewise, Visual Chess detects the moves corresponding to the black pieces, which are performed on the physical chessboard by the player following the game. As you can see in the video, at any point during the game, it is possible to review the camera position, check the filter settings, and even perform a position detection in order to verify that everything is operating correctly. We can also observe that the software windows may be minimized in order to minimize their impact on the software application or website being used for gameplay. When we decide to end the game, we select the option to finish it. In this example, we will simulate white resigning and perform the same action on the website where the game is being played. In this way, you have seen how we can bring a game from the computer into the real world, allowing us to physically touch and move the pieces as we enjoy doing, while the software performs the corresponding actions for us on the computer. This is the magic of our Visual Chess software, and it is now available to you. This concludes our instructional video on play a web or software game. Thank you very much for your attention. We hope you enjoy using our Visual Chess software.